The 2015 1500. When the Dodge Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lamps, trip computer, compass, security alarm, USB connection, tachometer, cargo area light, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, tilt steering wheel, power retractable mirrors, heated mirrors, power sliding rear window, front license plate bracket. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.